Hello, it's March 13, 2025, Thursday at 4:56 p.m. I'm here right now at my private office. Katatapos ko lang mag-duty from Kabugao. Katatapos ko lang din yung isang patient na nagpa-repair ng kanyang pustiso. Wala munang action today na mamasyal at kumimik and travel to some places na very relaxing. Gumawa tayo ng videos. Yun, tapos kulang ang travel videos going to Madunganda. Siguro may mga 2 videos pa on the way to Madunganda, and you will see the actual events be with us there, as you will know if you will watch my videos, what to expect when you will personally be there as you will watch my videos. I'm making my daily vlog dito lang sa office ko, just connecting to my YouTube videos and my friends. At para magiging routine ko na rin ang pag-vlog. Kahit wala ako sa common genre and topics of my videos about traveling. Well, I'm making a new statement just to add, and hopefully we'll be making a whole video about me or anything under the sun that is very interesting or is enjoying to share with you. Ang magiging style nito as similar to diaries or similar to making diaries. I'm making my first diary vlog. Mas madali kasi itong gawin kaysa sa traveling vlog. Mahirap i-edit. I'm still doing the part 3 of I'm on the way to Madunganda. Baka bukas ko kung matatapos yung video. Unlike with this diary vlog, mas madali lang itong gawin. Baka may habol ko pa nga ngayon para hindi na ako makamiss ng 1 video per day. This video content lang naman contains of what is happening to my daily life, some issues or concerns I'm struggling off there from time to time, and I hope it would. Some of the issues might happen before our eyes na mangyayari sa community natin sa bansa or throughout the world pa nga, which is very interesting. Also included pa yung mas nakaka-enjoy na i-share ko sa inyo towards my video content. Maganda kasi nito, mga after 1 year or 2 years, masarap balik-balikan ng mga videos na ginagawa mo, lalo na sa diary vlog. Ang mga videos na ito ay mahirap mapuno ang YouTube, no? Parang imposible man isipin mo na mapupuno ang YouTube. Otherwise na lang siguro kung makaka-violate ka ng magiging grounds for revocation of your channel. At huwag naman sana mangyari ulit. Alam natin na mapupuno ang mga cellphones kung madaming naka-store na videos at pictures. At kung isi-save mo ito, makaka-apekto yun sa performance ng cellphones. Hindi siya magiging unique and yung performance na inaasahan mong magiging satisfied sa'yo or convenient ay hindi mo maaating. Siguro mga video na ginagawa ko sa diary vlog, okay na rin siguro yung mga 3 minutes plus per videos. Good evening, it's already 1:30 a.m. Friday, March 14. Kagagaling lang namin from Lawag at sinamahan ko si Dr. Edith sa kanyang practice dahil meron silang dance practice papunta sa Pangasinan.